I'm Susie, and I've been living and travelling in my van Lucy for just over a year and a half. I've travelled across 10 countries from Scotland in the UK all the way through Europe to northern Norway and back down to southern Spain. It's been an incredible life-changing journey, but now it's time for me to start a new adventure, a life in Portugal on the beautiful Setúbal Peninsula. Follow me as I go through the process of becoming a resident of Portugal and explore this beautiful country. Welcome to my first vlog of 2021. So, just to give you an update, I've been back now in the country for nearly 2 weeks since going to the UK. And I have to say that I have a new appreciation for this beautiful country that I am living in. I mean, I did appreciate it before, but now I'm back, and after having been in the UK with the miserable weather, yeah, it feels so good to be here. But unfortunately, because I didn't manage to get on my scheduled flight back here, I missed my residency appointment and I could not get another one before the end of the year, which now means, because of Brexit and no longer being a EU citizen, I have now got to apply for residency as a non-EU citizen. And oh my God, it is such a different process, a long process, a more expensive process. But I am determined that I am going to become a resident of Portugal, and I am not leaving this country again until I have my residency. So this last week I have been out and about in this beautiful area of Portugal that I am in, just really appreciating the beautiful sunny weather that we're currently having. Although it has been pretty cold, the sun has still been shining, and there is still lots of warmth in the sun. But this week has not been without mishap, as you will see in the video. This is one of the beaches that I wanted to come to in the summertime, but it was really, really busy here and yeah, just didn't appeal to me. So now on a beautiful sunny winter's day, it's 10 degrees, I am going to venture down onto this beach. We have steps. This is very civilized, actually. Steps. Normally you're clambering down the cliffside. So I can understand why people like to come here to this beach. Oh wow, there's some ruins down here. And that's the other beach that I went to before, over there. Oh, there's life down here. There's buildings. Oh, it's such a beautiful day today. It's been quite rainy recently and cold. So this is really nice. Oh my goodness. The little restaurant is actually open as well. Oh, some cats. Look at cats. They're, yeah, there's lots of cats in Portugal, but they're wild cats, but they're looked after. And here we have like a pulley system to get all the goods down. That's a good idea. animals are allowed here. Well, the cats are, obviously. So, yeah, beautiful sandy beach. Oh my God, I haven't been to the beach for ages. I'm so happy. And wow. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around and show you what's behind here. So we have up there is the cliffs of the edge of the Arrábida Natural Park, and I'll just pan around. Great day to see the mountain tops over there. So, go for a nice little walk along the beach. I think the tide's actually going out. So I just heard my alarm going off, and I came back up and sorry for my language, my car van just been broken into. Fortunately it's only the side window. There was some motorbike guy on the side of the road, and I think it was him, and I left a bag in the front seat, but there's nothing in it. So now it's just a pain in the ass to go and get this sorted, because my van is now not secure. It's a pretty cold day here today in Portugal. It is, I think the high was 7 degrees, and the temperatures at night are dropping down to about 1. This week, but then actually the sun is going to be shining for the rest of this week, and it's going to rise to 14 degrees, so that will be nice. But I am out walking because I am planning on, in May, doing hopefully, if we're allowed to travel by May, do the Camino Way. This will be a real challenge for me because obviously you have to carry a backpack, and you need to walk for maybe 30 kilometers a day. Well, yeah, the walking, not so much of a problem, the walking, but it's the effect it has on my back. When I walk the day before yesterday, I did a 3-hour walk, and it was, I felt the pain in my back, and that was without a backpack. So it will be a real challenge for me to do it. Yeah, and I want to do it because I think it will be, well, obviously an amazing experience, and really time to reflect where, I don't have any of life getting in the way, and just meeting, new people too along the way. Just for those people who don't know, the Camino Way is over 1,000 kilometers long, and if you do 30 kilometers a day, I think it takes roughly 30 days to do it, and you stay at little local hostels along the route, and it goes from France. It goes from France all the way to the west side of Spain through some beautiful beautiful terrain that actually I drove through, because as I drove down here to Portugal, I kept crossing the Camino Way path signs that crossed across the road. So Yeah, it'd be great to walk where I've driven. Oh my goodness, there is ice. Ice in Portugal. Look here. Officially frozen water on the Setúbal Peninsula. It's a beautiful sunny day today, again, and I've come to this old windmill because this is actually the perfect place to sit and read in the sunshine, and you'll see why in just a moment. Wow, look at that view. Today is a really clear day, and you can see that's Lisbon over there. You can see all those buildings and then the mountains behind. And this is the Laurel Valley. And this is where I'm going to sit to read.